close that window. And I was told you should be able to take this piece out of here. Hopefully you can see that. Without taking this whole panel off. As you can see, my mirror is kaputsu. So I'm going to see if I can pry that out without breaking anything and without taking this whole panel off. Let's see what we can do. Anything holding on to it. Yeah. Phew, we got that piece off. And this button can go right back in there anyway. So that's good. You got the piece off. So now this piece is only a clip that comes off. So now I should be able to take the mirror off. Okay, so got my drill in my bit here. So we should just have to take the screws off here. Just one. Put it right there. Two. And that should be the last one. Okay. Yeah. All right. So there's the old one. Now we got to put the new one in there. Let's see if it fits okay. Okay, just go under here. There we go. All right. Now we got to put the screws to it. There's one. There's two. And it should be the last one over here. That's three. Now, clip this on. That should be it. So now, all we gotta do is try the mirror, see if it moves. And we'll try the mirror here. Well, look at that. The mirror is moving. All good. Nice. Well, I gotta have the two top pieces on there, don't I? Let's see. So now we gotta put that in there. Hold on. All the pieces going on. So I gotta lock this down. Push that in there. Get that in there. Okay. Now I gotta bring it up. this way. I don't care if that piece is not there. Let's see. That's pretty good. Well, it's not high enough. For some reason. Oh well, that's okay. I'm done for now. We got it out anyway. I don't know where that goes. All right, we're done for now. Hope that helped a little bit. I took this out without taking this out, so just a matter of fitting it back in there. It's gonna take a little while to do that, but just so you guys know, there is a way of doing it without taking the whole panel out. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.